Works every single time. Well, maybe not every single time.
Pardon me. Has any berry perchance seen my formula?
I'm guessing that's not good.
We have to panic and scream uncontrollably. No! Help as many berries as we can!
Whoa.
Sour, get down! That's an order from your assistant manager!
Blueberry, what are you doing? Oh, don't worry. The universe wants us to go this way. Come on! The universe? That's fine. We could use a little help here.
Actually, so could we?
Go ahead, make my spread! Why did you stop? I feel like the universe wants us to wait right here. Why would the universe want us to wait right here? That's why. Come on!
This is not how I saw today going.
I can fix that! What are you doing?
These are limited edition fluffy chiffon. Hey!
You are surprisingly light.
Ah, fluffernutter.